Welcome to the Modern Ema channel, where we chat and discuss about motherhood and Charlotte Mason homeschooling. Today, I'm just going to do a quick review on the Good and Beautiful Geology unit. This I'm going to use with some of my students for nature study. I also felt this was particularly great for some of our students that join us that have neurodivergent learning. So I want to point out why I'm liking this from Nature Club, but also what I saw that it was helpful for some of my neurodivergent learners. One, it doesn't come with, you have to buy it separately, this rocks and minerals kit. And if you've never seen it before, it's like a cardboard type box. It's a little bit flimsy, but it does the job. Comes with a scraper. You can check for the hardness. And it has a little metal scraper, which is like just a nail. And it has actually a couple one, it looks like a copper one, and then a plate scrape where they check the hardness, I would assume. And then it comes with at least 9 rocks, some of which are gypsum, talc, quartz, aquamarine, and slate. So there's several of them in here that can give you a great start to rocks and minerals. I'll put that back. All right. So that in itself, having a hands-on object is great multisensory learning for my neurodivergent learners. So here's the workbook. This is for the teacher, but everything you'd need for the student is also written in here. And then here's the table of contents, which is covering plate tectonics, earthquakes, volcanoes, minerals, crystals, rock characteristics, and igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic, rock cycle, and geological process, and more. And as you can see, it's set up that it gives you everything you need as a teacher. It even gives you a way to use your nature journals, as you see at the bottom, which is great for Nature Club. It gives us all the lessons outlined and the supplies we'll need for our core lessons, which is extremely helpful instead of looking through the book. This part is the part that goes over the vocabulary. And I really like having these in color. This has been great for our neurodivergent learners to have something very bolded for students with maybe dyslexia, or even for students who need multisensory or would prefer to have a picture and a word. Even students that maybe struggle with executive functioning, sometimes it's great for them to have multiple stimuli for them to be able to retain and engage a lesson. And all students in general really prefer to have multisensory learning. So I find it's a win-win for everyone in the group. We cover a few vocabulary words depending on what is dictated in the lesson. And we have a vocabulary board that we do in our actual homeschool. And then for each lesson for nature study, I just bring the words that we need, laminate it, and then I can just do a quick review of the words with our students. It has, as you see, it has like several vocabulary words. I mean, it has pages and pages with beautiful illustrations and pictures. This is a win-win. Instead of like pulling down a bunch of different pictures and things from different websites and things I could compile together, it just seemed like Good and Beautiful already had what I needed all in one spot, and I can pull from it what I need. And it has different experiments in here that I can use as an intro to Nature Club before we go on a hike. And I encourage people within our Nature Club that may well be watching this video that, you know, if you want to have a deeper resource and be able to do more at home, that this book is great to have for our geology exploration. As you see, it gives you exactly what you would need and some of the things you'd want to say and things you'd want to incorporate in their nature journals. This is just doing layers of the earth, but they have several pages like this throughout. And in the back, they have games like landform matches and little mini books and stories. So this is a great intro to geology. I'm going to be using this for multi-levels for Form 1 and 2. And then whoever else is at our nature study, because we're pretty much gearing it towards Form 1 and Form 2. So I just wanted to give a quick overview of this for our nature group that's here, but also for anyone who wanted to be able to see what it looked like for the Good and Beautiful's geology unit study. This is not a purely Charlotte Mason, but it's a Charlotte Mason inspired. I'm more of the Charlotte Mason perspective, but when I can pull a resource that gives us some multisensory learning for our neurodivergent learners, I like to pull in more things to make sure that all of our students' needs are being met and that they have something stimulating and engaging to for them to get another layer of understanding for our nature study. All right, if you like this video and you'd like more information on different curricula for Good and Beautiful, let me know and just post it below, and I'll be happy to do more reviews. I have some other science units I'd be happy to review as I move further along in our nature club. All right, bye for now.